Good morning, students. This is the next topic, that is change of states of matter. To understand this thing, we need to understand this diagram. What is this? This is the solid state of a matter. Now, we know that in solid state, the molecules can only vibrate in its original position. When we are giving temperature and it is increasing, at that time what happen? They start changing their position, and for that reason the kinetic energy increases, which leads to the high energy gain of the molecule, and that leads to the melting of the solid. That leads to the melting of the solid, which is the reason by which a solid state of matter get converted into liquid state of matter. Now, when we are giving more temperature to it, more heat energy to it, then again the molecules losses or decreases their intermolecular force of attraction, and that is why their bonding, they loses their bonding, and that leads to the evaporation. When we are giving more energy, that is heat energy, to a liquid state of matter, it started evaporating and it leads to the change of state from liquid to gas. Now, just vice versa happen when we are decreasing the temperature from the gaseous state. When we are decreasing the temperature of a matter that is in gaseous states, it cools down, and when it cools down, at that moment the molecule's energy also losses. They also losses their energy, and that is the reason why they start keep come to their original position. The molecules don't rapidly move here and there. They are not able now to move here and there rapidly inside the matter. At that time they comes to the state of liquid, and this process is known as the condensation. This is the process that is known as condensation. Now, when we are decreasing more temperature from a liquid state of matter, at that time the thing that happen, that is known as freezing, and that leads to the again back to the solid state of the matter. So when we are decreasing more temperature from a liquid of a matter, it gets converted into solid state of matter. Just take the example of ice cube that is having a fixed shape, fixed volume, and now when we are giving temperature, we are keeping it in normal room temperature, it start melting because they are getting more heat energy from the surroundings and they get converted into liquid state, that is water. Now when we are boiling the water, we are giving more and more heat energy to it, so that time it get evaporated and they form the gaseous state, that is the water vapor. Okay, now again take the water vapor, and if we decrease the temperature, that it condense and again it converted into the liquid state, that is water. And then if we again decrease the temperature, simply if we put it in refrigerator and we decrease the temperature to less than 0 degrees centigrade, then what will happen? Again it will come back to its original state, that was the solid state. So this is the process how interconversion of the three states of matter happens.